Hi friends, this is the yummiest beetroot kurma recipe ever. To 4 tablespoon oil, add 1 teaspoon jeera, stone flour, don't forget, 2 onions, stir until they are light brown and remove a small portion and keep aside. Add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1 potato peeled and cubed, half kilo beetroot, washed, peeled and cubed, and 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, red chilli powder, salt. Cook on a high flame for 3 minutes and allow 2 whistles. Now let's dry roast chana dal, coriander seeds, cumin seeds, black peppercorns, green cardamom, small piece mace or jaifal, 1 bay leaf, poppy seeds of couscous, cashew nuts, red chillies, and stir for 2 minutes on a low to medium flame and add tamarind and switch off the flame in half a minute. Cool and transfer to a mixer. Kurma masala is ready. You can store this in an airtight bottle and use it whenever you want to make kurma. Now let's add the fried onions, fresh coconut, blend to a smooth paste adding water and open the cooker and add this paste. Mix it well, add a little bit of water, hot water. Hot water prevents lumps, dissolves the granules and thickens the gravy. Bring it to a boil. Kurma is ready. Thank you for watching.